Ukraine, bloom again like a lily. April in Calgary, it snows instead of flowers. I thought it was a flower flake, but it's a snowflake. The Ukrainian church in the snow. People gather and pray today too. They pray for the restoration of the territory. A hymn echoes in the Ukrainian church, dreaming of a nation's resurrection from the ruins of death. The hymns are fierce. I got off in the Calgary this morning, looking at the bullet like spring snow. I sing, Ukraine, wake up strong, bloom again like a lily in the field, bloom again like a rose in the field. My love, Ukraine, resurrect like the light of that meadow. Rou Kim.